Guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. My name is Stella Simon and I'm a clinical nutritionist. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the support. If you're new here, I welcome you and I would like to request you to please go ahead and subscribe. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you about the heart healthy diet and cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases is a collective name for the diseases that affect the heart and the blood vessels. And I'll give you a few examples. We have atherosclerosis, whereby you find that there is accumulation of lipid or cellular materials in the inner layer of the blood vessels. Then we also have the coronary heart disease, whereby you find that there is lack of blood flow to the network of blood vessels surrounding the heart. Then we also have hypertension, which is defined as elevated blood pressure, whereby you find that it is above the normal range of 140/90 millimeters of mercury. Then we also have stroke, and stroke is caused by untreated hypertension and atherosclerosis. I'll go ahead and give you some of the tips or some of the components of the heart healthy diet. Tip number 1 is low fat diet, and I recommend the olive oil, the canola oil, and the sunflower oil. Then when you're preparing your foods, you choose the cooking methods which do not need oil or use minimal amount of oil. For example, if it's the vegetables, instead of stir frying them, you can just steam them. Then when you purchase your meat, you trim off the excess fats. Then the next tip is a diet which is high in potassium, and some of the fruits high in potassium, we have the mangoes and we also have the red bananas. The next one is low sodium diet, and here you use little amount of salt during meal preparation, and when you are choosing your snacks, you check the sodium content. And the next tip is a diet which is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, and this diet, mainly the food sources here, we have the fish, and I would also recommend a diet which is rich in antioxidants. And I'll give you an example. For example, we have vitamin E, and some of the food sources include spinach, and we also have the nuts. For example, the groundnuts. Then I also recommend a diet which is rich in flavonoids, and flavonoids are antioxidants. And some of the food sources here, we have tea, we have the blueberries, and we also have the pomegranate. Then I also recommend a diet which is rich in lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid, and it is found in the red colored fruits and vegetables. For example, we have the watermelon, and we also have the papaya, and we also have the red capsicum. Then I also recommend that you adhere to your medication, and you should also be physically active or you engage in exercise. Then the last one, I recommend the Mediterranean diet, and this diet, the components include vegetable oil. Mainly we have the olive oil or the extra virgin olive oil, and then it is also a diet which is high in fruits and vegetables, legumes, we have fish, we have seafood, and we also try to minimize the red meats. Then I also recommend a diet which is rich in folic acid, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. And I'll give you some of the food sources of each. And starting from folic acid, some of the food sources include the dark green vegetables. For example, we have spinach, we have lettuce, and we also have the amaranth, and we also have beans. Then vitamin B6, some of the food examples include pork, we have poultry, and we have the soya beans. Then for vitamin B12, some of the food sources include meat, we have milk, and we have fish. So that is it for the heart healthy diet. And in case you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll be glad to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, please share, and if you've not yet subscribed, please please go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.